hate it. I hate sailing, I hate being on the boat. I've made a terrible mistake. I hate it. No, I'm just messing. I absolutely love it. I've only cried a dozen times just sitting in the cockpit looking in the water. The mistake I've made is get home-itis. Thinking that I just want to get home, I want to get the boat back, I want to do it in, well, originally it was like Billy Big Balls. Oh, it's a 5-day straight passage, I'll just blah blah, stupid. And then it was like, oh, I'll just do like 2 or 3 day passages and stop off. And I had this thing about getting back for the end of April or early May, because I thought that's when I could get hauled out up there. Look how brown my hands are, lads. My arms have been sailing in long sleeves. It's the brown hand gang. We started World War One. Is that the right one? I can't remember. Anyway, train of thought left the station. Yeah, so I spoke to the chap up in Skippool, John, this morning, and he's saying, oh no, we don't only do haul outs up to like May now and put boats in and stuff. We're going to do it out into June, July, August, which means I now don't have a rush to get back. So why not just enjoy it? Why go in weather that's at the limits of what I should be going in with my experience, 20 odd knots, and try and do long legs and tire myself out and miss half of the country. I've got plans on going around the world and stuff. Like, when am I going to get to see this coastline again? I don't think I am, because I'll probably die in the ocean, or I'll be out around the world, or whatever, if any of this works. So what I'm going to do is chill out, find nice anchorages, maybe do 5 or 6 hour days sailing, something like that, 20 or 30 miles, or bigger ones if I need to, whatever. That means I can just pick a tide. If I sail a 6 hour day, I can pick the tide that's going the right way, increase my speed by whatever, depending on what the tide is and which direction I'm going, and blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm just going to chill out. I might go to anchorages and spend a couple of days there. I might get the dinghy out and go ashore and faff. Yeah, what's the rush, man? You know, I had just get home-itis, this sort of, I've got to get back, I've got to do all this work on the boat and blah blah blah. Chances are I'm not going to finish the boat before November, December anyway, which is when I'd want to cross the Atlantic. So what's the point? So yeah, that's the decision. I made a mistake. I was trying to do it too quickly, just skipping all of this amazing place. I mean, I was just going to skip past Portland, and last night I spent on the Raz with John, Dave and Dan, and it was awesome. So why sort of skip past these experiences, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I hold my hands up. I made a mistake. I was trying to rush. It was unnecessary. Now I'm going to chill out and enjoy it, pick my windows, and if I get held up somewhere for a week on anchor, not in marina because I can't afford to stay in the marinas, I'm just going to do that, you know. Why not? Oh, so if my family are watching, yeah, I'm going to be late. Sorry about that. You'll have to wait to see me. So, oh, shine a light. My car's still at the marina. Oh, I don't know. Now I don't know what to do. I'll figure something out. We'll play it by ear. Just play it by ear. It'll be right.